Hiamatwehaum. Welcome, welcome. I've been enjoying exploring the relationships between the Kalanaka, the archetypes, the 12 archetypes of Banakuma wisdom, which we celebrate through the months of the year. And I left the southern hemisphere at the time of just beginning Tasia, the infinite now, here, the present moment, coming into Hiamatwehaum in the northern hemisphere, the natural world, the calling of nature and all that is around, the trees, the grasses, the earth. And I felt that I didn't want to miss out on the time of Tasia, and I explored, enjoying exploring this relationship between Hiamatwehaum and Tasia, of how valuable it is to gain our present awareness, to receive that sense of here now wisdom as we connect with nature, walking barefoot in the grass, on the earth, sitting under trees, listening to the birds, watching the breezes in the grasses, watching as nature moves around right here, right now, in the present, Tasia. And how much wisdom, how much peace and calm comes from observing that and bringing that present awareness to nature. And I invite you, if you choose to enjoy exploring this relationship, finding presence in the natural world. Nikua, nikua, nikua. Sa, sa, sa.